everyone, I am Manav. Today I am going to show you how to make this, the paper airplane. Let's get started to make it. First take one paper, fold it like this. You need to check if you are on the correct edge. If you are on the correct edge, just fold it. Then open it back. Then in this course, we have to fold it in triangle over here, like this. And another one same, I need to touch it. Now you have to take this whole part and keep it like this. If you want to lock it, these two edges, you have, can you see that small triangle here? So we have to keep this triangle like this, so those all won't come out. You have to make sure you fold it hard, so they won't come out. Keep the paper like this. You have to take and fold it half like this. And you don't need to see this part because that is like that only. Now fold the paper like this. Now take the paper like this, and that is also same. Now you have to bring this edge to this edge. You don't need to worry about this, it is always like that. You have to do the same on other side also. Now fold it like this. Then open it back. Then your aeroplane is ready. Vroom. Thank you for watching my video and learning. Please subscribe and tick my channel and click the bell button. Bye everyone. I'll come next day with new things. Stay safe. Bye.